slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Hello, dear moms and families. I'm really glad you're here because what we're about to talk about can make a lifelong difference to your baby's health. The first hours after birth are incredibly important. Experts recommend placing your baby at the breast within the first hour. This special moment helps start milk production, calms your newborn, and builds a strong emotional bond between mother and baby. At this stage, your baby needs only breast milk. No water, no formula, nothing else. For the first 6 months, breast milk alone is enough. Feed your baby whenever they show signs of hunger, day or night. Breast milk provides complete nutrition, strengthens immunity, and supports healthy growth, perfectly designed by nature for your baby. After 6 completed months, you can slowly begin introducing solid foods while continuing to breastfeed. Breastfeeding can continue up to 2 years or even longer, offering comfort, nutrition, and emotional security. And moms, remember this: your health matters too. A balanced diet, enough fluids, and regular meals help maintain a healthy milk supply and keep you feeling strong and energized. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gives you confidence and peace of mind on your breastfeeding journey. Stay tuned for more helpful tips for mothers and babies. Until next time, take care and lots of love to you and your little one.